Hi, I'm Zach Vaughn, and this is Poison Ivy. Poison for us, power for birds. Poison ivy is one of the most infamous plants in North America. Its oily sap can cause an itchy rash, which makes most of us steer clear. But while we try to avoid it, birds see something completely different. One of the richest food sources for fall and winter. So how can a plant that causes so much misery for people be such a powerhouse for birds? Let's break down why poison ivy fruit is a lifeline for wildlife. Poison ivy produces clusters of waxy white berries, technically drupes, that ripen in late summer and persist through winter. Unlike many fall fruits that are sugar-rich, poison ivy berries are packed with fat, often more than 45% of their dry weight. For birds, that means high-calorie fuel, perfectly suited for migration and survival through the cold winter months. These berries are, in many ways, the opposite of poison. They're power food. But why white? Most bird-dispersed fruits are red, purple, or black. But in the muted tones of winter forests, pale berries shine bright like a beacon. For humans, its leaves mean caution, but for birds, the berries mean survival. Fuel to finish migration, or power to make it through the leanest months of the year. Poison for us, power for birds.